So glad we made it. So glad we made it. I want you. Give me some lovin'. Today I'm going to teach you how to play Gimme Some Lovin', that classic song by the Spencer Davis Group that featured a young Steve Winwood on vocals. And this song is so much fun to play. It was covered by Winwood himself, later on in his career. And of course, it was also featured in the Blues Brothers movie, which is so iconic, so fabulous. We're going to have a lot of fun learning this. It is crazy easy. Before we jump into it, definitely download the free lyrics chord sheet. You can go to pianoandvoicewithbrenda.com/gimme-some-lovin'. I'll have it linked below. Make sure you get that. Lots of people report to me that they love printing that out and then jotting in little notes of the tutorial as we go. So without further ado, let's get into studio mode. So this song is kind of in the key of G, but it's sort of more in like a bluesy G. So we're really actually more going to be using the white notes. There aren't any F sharps in this song, which is kind of cool. And it's definitely got a modal sound. And I'm going to teach you this song like straight up and down from the very beginning. So of course, the very iconic sound for this song is D, 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 fa, D, 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 fa, D, 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 fa, D, 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 D. Sometimes I like to double it in both hands. So you want to get this part together first. And then we're going to hear da, this is the organ, D, 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 D. So what is this? It's F in first inversion. Then it's going to C in second inversion. So you're going to go back and forth. F in first inversion, C in second inversion, F in first inversion, D, 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 back and forth to the G in root position. So it's going to go da, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, do, 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 do. 1, 2, do it again. Do, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, D, 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 D. Dun, 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 D. Dun, 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 dun. I'm going to do this slow as heck. And D. 1, 2. Let's do it 2 more times. D, 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 da. And then they all yell, hey! Good. The verse is 2 chords. You're going to go G to C in second inversion. Well, my temperature's rising and my feet left the floor. And you'll notice I'm just playing a G in my left hand. You could play a single G in either octave or you could play 2 Gs. Well, my temperature's rising and my feet left the floor. Crazy people knocking 'cause they want some more. Let me in, baby, I don't know what you got, but you better take it easy. This place is hot and that's the verse, okay? Now, groove-wise, you could kind of mix it up as you want to. Well, so it starts off. Well, my temperature's rising and my feet left the floor. So you could do a bunch of these, right? A bunch of 8th notes in the left hand, or you could pa, pa, pa. If you want to just do quarter notes, that sounds good too. Or you could go, whichever one of these you can do. Bop, 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 bop. Well, my temperature's rising and my feet left the floor. Crazy So here's what you're going to do. G, so glad we made it. Then you're going to go to B flat in second inversion. Woo, what a weird chord it is. So glad we made it. Good. Then you're going to go up to C in second inversion again. Then you're going to go to E flat in first inversion. So you're going to go, so glad we made it. 3, 4. So glad we made it. I want you. Give me some lovin'. Give me some lovin'. You see, all I'm doing is going from the G to the C back and forth. And that's it. That's it. Da, da, da. Every day. Right? And then you can throw this in and you can go. Remember the intro again? And then make sure you yell, hey. Hey. Exactly. That's the whole song. That's it. That's the whole stinking song from start to finish. We're going to do that intro thingy. There's a verse. There's a chorus. There's that thing. Then there's a verse. Then there's a chorus. And then there's this like interlude thingy. And then verse and chorus. And that's it. That's the whole song, which is completely amazing. So let's do a playthrough, shall we? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Temperature's rising and my feet off the ground. Crazy people fun. I used to have this tambourine when I was in the piano bar that would sometimes get picked up by somebody and get passed around the room. There'd be like one or two tambourines sort of going around the room, and the server, the wait staff would be there like tambourining it out, and everyone would be dancing, and it would be a whole thing. I tell you, it is so much fun to play this song. And you can see pretty loose with the accompaniment. It changed as time went on. So you can play what other rhythmic pattern like kind of makes sense, or you can go back to the ones I showed you and sort of break them down and kind of cut them out a little bit. Say, I like this. I want it to be like this. Or you can just be loose. Being fast and loose with the rhythm is half the fun. And definitely whatever you can do and be able to sing at the same time. But these songs like this are so great to have in your rep because there's just a couple of little doohickeys to learn, and then boom, Bob's your uncle. You got it done. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If it was, make sure you leave me a huge thumbs up. My channel is growing, and I want to continue spreading this fun fellowship type of piano to everyone and their dog out there who want to just give it a go. Piano doesn't have to be stuffy. It doesn't have to be a whole thing. There doesn't have to be a lot of reading involved. We can just have a lot of fun and fill in the details as we can. If you enjoyed this tutorial, you want to know more about me and my work, you can check out my website, pianoandvoicewithbrenda.com. There you will find a plethora of resources, and you can learn how to work with me. I have a lot of my YouTube friends have become students over the years, and I'll teach you the odd lesson here and there. Some people take weekly lessons. It's fabulous. Piano, voice, musicianship, whatever you need. And I'd be completely silly not to mention to you that I have this incredible online membership called the Versatile Musician that houses dozens of courses, hundreds of tutorials, thousands of tutorials, printable material, practice guides, and we do once a month live workshops with the group based on topics I request. So if that's something you want to join, a community of like-minded people who are inspiring each other and getting to the next level in their musicianship, you should definitely use code GETSTARTED30 for $30 off your first month. It's a great deal, an incredible value for what you get, and it would be great to have you aboard. Anyways, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Happy practicing.